we are about to scratch that. Welcome to the Humble Me Show, guys. I am back with the viral TikTok snacks. So what we got here, we got the jalapenos. I already pre-prepped their mess. We got the pickles. We got the Takis. We got the cream cheese, and we got the cotton candy. So I'm not sure which beautiful creature came up with these combinations, but I've been watching a lot of people do it, and it's been going viral on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube. So I was like, why not try it? I don't know about these combinations. I see the cotton candy with the pickles, and then you have
the Takis, the pineapple,
cream cheese. So we're gonna get right into this video. We're gonna first start off. I don't know, guys. You guys actually start off with the cotton candy and the pickles, or should I do the cream cheese? I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna start off first with the cotton candy and the pickles, guys. I am not. I don't like pickles. I don't even like pickles on my burgers. I don't know, I'm gonna have pickles with cotton candy. I like cotton candy though, but pickles, I don't know. But let's get right into it. We're gonna pop open the cotton candy. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. I had pickles, but like pickle slices. So I don't know, I would think they taste the same. So as you can see, pickles, full pickle. Okay. My cotton candy. I don't know what tastes good, but oh guys, I'm so nervous about this. So how do I see about people doing it? I see they take a lot and then they kind of like roll it in. So I guess I'm gonna take a lot and just roll it. Okay, wait. Okay, go man down, man down. Okay, thank God. Like let me just try to see how I'm gonna do this. How would you roll this pick? I didn't even think about this, but this is what I've seen a lot of people doing. Let me show you guys. So I'm just gonna copy them. I've seen a lot of people doing this, and they take the pickle. Like, who the fuck came up with this shit? It's crazy. So I've seen a lot of people roll it up, and they say that you have to get like a lot of cotton candy, so I guess you won't have the flavor of the pickle in your mouth. So let me just get a little bit more, because like I said, I don't like pickles, so I rather eat that. So yeah, that's exactly how I've seen a lot of people. Yeah, so this is what I've seen a lot of people do, and they just like I don't know, guys. I'm just laughing because like I'm very nervous. So I'm just laughing. So yeah. Because I'm going to take a bite out of it. And I'm really, like, nervous. When I'm nervous, I laugh. But let me just, because, like, let me just get straight into it. I'm going to just bite it. Bite into my pickle. Here goes. This one girl said, it tastes weird, but you kept eating it, right? I understand. It's nasty, bro. I'm gonna try to Takis, okay, guys? Yeah. They're gonna move on to the next one. It was good. I mean, it's like the cotton candy dries up the pickle juice. So we're just gonna try this one. It's okay. I don't like pickles, so I wouldn't eat it. It's not one of my snacks. So we're just gonna move on to the next one. So I got my jalapeno, as you can see, it's already cut inside, gutted out. I don't have the seeds, so they say if you leave the seeds in there, it gets more hotter. So these are my Takis. I still got pickles in my mouth, so I had to get rid of that because not that. Talking about Takis, I've never had Takis before, but a lot of people say they like it better than hot chips. I'm a fan of hot chips. I like hot fries, but I don't know. So let me see what these Takis about. So I'm gonna get my jalapeno, my cream cheese. I'm making a mess, guys. My cream cheese. I like cream cheese. I really like my cream cheese. I like cream cheese. I actually like it, so I think that it should taste good. I like jalapenos too. So I'm gonna put the cream cheese in here. I said they stuff it. I put a lot of cream cheese, so I'm not sure if they're putting a lot of cream cheese so they won't taste the rawness of the jalapeno. Best as I can because it's not going in. But then I see a lot of people take the Takis and then they stick it with the Takis too. So I'm making a mess. I'm making a mess. Okay. So it's supposed to go all the way to the top. I see people take like 3-4 Takis. As I mentioned, I've never had Takis and I've never had raw onions. I've never had Takis and I've never had raw jalapeno. So what they stuff it all the way, so this is my first time, so they stuff it all the way down. And you know, I don't mean around, but you know, I'm not trying to eat this. So let me tell you a story. I see a lot of people like this. A lot of people are saying that this is one of their snacks that they're going to eat a lot. And a lot of people have been rating this actually #1 out of the viral TikTok snacks. So I'm kind of optimistic about this one. I think it's gonna actually taste good. It's just I was not a fan of pickles, and it still has the pickle mouth. And then okay, guys, I'm just gonna bite into it. So this is gonna be my reaction for the jalapeno, Takis, and the cream cheese. Here goes my face. Does it taste good? Not bad. It wouldn't be my everyday snack, but not bad at all. I'm gonna take another bite for you guys, but it's not bad. Okay. Well, this wraps it up. I've tried the viral TikTok snacks. So make sure you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And I'll be back with another epic video. Stay tuned.